right, folks, well, it's the big day. It's the day I've been waiting for. Today we are going to polish the patina on the 51 Ford F1. Really been excited for this, not just in the last few weeks. You've seen the videos where I've been testing out the different methods like Comet versus Brillo pad and all that different things. But really, since I got this truck almost a year, or excuse me, a little bit more than a year ago, I've been thinking about the day when we're finally going to do polish the patina and cover it with what different people call various iterations, patina juice and other things like that, but a mixture of boiled linseed oil and mineral spirits. I'll tell you what, here's how long. I actually bought my products a year ago. I think I bought them before I even had the truck delivered. But we're going to use boiled linseed oil. And if you saw my previous video, we did try different methods for sort of polishing slash cleaning slash smoothing out the patina. And I determined that I thought the Brillo pad was the best. So we've got a couple boxes, almost full boxes, that should do the trick. So let's get to it. I'm probably not going to show all of the process here because I figured this is probably going to take a couple of hours. But I'll just show you sort of bits and pieces and hopefully do some comparisons because, man, I have a feeling this is just going to be awesome. well, done with the scrubbing, polishing part, whatever you want to call. I also had to go ahead and give the truck a wash because it was just too much whitish residue from the Brillo pads. So got that towel dried. Probably want to give this about 20 minutes to surface dry here. And then we were going to work on the final step, the one that's really, really exciting. And man, did I burn through the Brillos. I went through 14 or 15, just about 2 boxes worth. So yeah. Okay, it is time to mix up the juice. We got our boiled linseed oil here and our mineral spirits. I've heard different recommendations for what the ratio should be. I think we're going to do about like 3 to 1 or so, or 4 to 1, somewhere in that range. I've also heard some people say you should put a little WD-40 in it. I'm going to try that just for kicks and giggles. All right, let's shine. All right, we're kind of losing the light here, unfortunately. So, but we're going to do the money shot that you see in all of these videos, which is we're going to do half the hood so you can really see the difference there. There is the final product back in the daylight. Sorry, we just lost the light last night, even with my helpers. So we got to do the last bit of this in the dark with work lights. But still a bit tacky and not quite dry. Probably need another half a day or so, but wow. Is it okay for me to say that about my own truck? Wow. After all the waiting and worrying and wondering, this has just turned out fantastic. just amazing. I just love how the deep richness of the color just really pops out here. You get this wonderful different layers of, you know, patina with some of the original red showing through. That, if you remember from previous videos, this red was not showing through before. That really popped out when I polished it. You can see more down here, really brought it out. The back, the cab, everything looks good. Was very careful not to disturb this original paint here on the Ford logo. And even our funny red fender looks pretty cool with a little bit of shine on it. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, this just has made it all worth it. I've been dreaming about this day for more than a year where I could finally do what I wanted with this truck, and man, it's like falling in love all over again. Thanks for watching.